Hi there, it's Kristen with Hooks, Books, and Wanderlust, and today I'm here with a quick tutorial to show you how to make the triple treble crochet stitch. The triple treble crochet stitch, try and say that 10 times fast. I double dog dare you, and let me know if you did it in the comments. But this stitch is actually just a variation on a double crochet. So if you can make a double crochet, you can make this stitch. If you can't make a double crochet, I'm linking my double crochet video in the description box. Go watch that one and then come back to this one. But here's what we're going to do. When we go to start a row, I'm going to do a chain 5, and I'm doing that because my chain stitches are going to count as the first stitch of my row. So I've got my chain 5, and I'll turn my work here. The difference between this one and a double crochet is simply the number of times you're going to yarn over at the beginning of the stitch. With a double crochet, you will yarn over 1 time. With a triple treble, you'll yarn over 4 times. So we've got 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then I'm going to insert my hook into the stitch just like I normally would and pull up a loop. So obviously we've got all those yarn overs and we've got to do something with them. So just like a double crochet, you're going to yarn over and pull through 2 loops and then keep doing that until you reach the top of your stitch. So yarn over, pull through 2, 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 and one last final pull through 2. So that is the triple treble crochet. Let's do it one more time here. So again, we're going to yarn over 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Insert our hook into the stitch and pull up a loop. And you can see here we've got our pulled up loop, our 4 yarn overs, plus our working loop that we started with, and we're going to yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over and pull through those last 2. So looking at the post of this stitch, you can see each one of those pull throughs that we do. So here's the first, second, third, fourth, and final. And basically, just, like I said, just as simple as a double crochet. It's just taller with a lot more pull through 2s that you have to do to complete the stitch. But otherwise, it's very similar. So I hope you liked this tutorial and found it helpful. Be sure to hit that like button if you did. Make sure you subscribe to the channel to make sure you don't miss any upcoming patterns or tutorials. Also, we've got like those fun book reviews and book chats and travel videos too. So, you know, all the good stuff. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. My husband wants me to try out a new kind of closing like catchphrase. He wants me to say, catch you on the stitch side. If you think that's a hit, let me know in the comments below. Until the next time, I'll catch you on the next video.